Most shoulder pain is caused by three common deficits: shoulder blades not moving up and around, lack of thoracic extension and rotation, and lack of stability in your shoulders. So I'm going to teach you about each one and then give you my top 3 exercises to melt away your shoulder pain by targeting each deficit as quickly as possible. My name is Dr. Joey Seyforth. I'm my shoulder specialist with Combat Performance. We've helped thousands with shoulder pain, impingement, and frozen shoulders through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to teach you 3 highly effective exercises to destroy your shoulder pain from all angles. Now, let's beat this shoulder pain. And just so you know, shoulder pain is actually one of the top disabilities in the world. 67% of individuals will experience shoulder pain at some point in their life. And the most common issues I see are people living sedentary lifestyles, avoiding movements that hurt, or pushing through pain thinking it'll just go away. You'll notice that your shoulder pain gets worse when you reach overhead, sleep on that side, or even just trying to put on a shirt becomes a painful chore. You feel way older than you should. These are the most common symptoms associated with shoulder dysfunction, and the type of movements we're going to discuss today address these exact problems. So since we know most individuals have shoulder blades that don't move properly, the first exercise specifically speaks to that. It's called our wall slide exercise. You're going to stand facing the wall with one foot in front of the other for stability. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height, elbows slightly off the wall. Slowly slide your arms upward, leaning your chest forward at the top, then return to the starting position. This is teaching your shoulder blades to move up and around, that critical 60-degree upward rotation that most of us are missing. In this position, you're getting your shoulder blades to finally move the way they're supposed to. It's so important to do this because it can reverse all that dysfunction that your shoulders get from sitting all day and not moving properly. Do 2 sets of 10 reps, focusing on that chest lean at the top. That's what really gets those shoulder blades moving correctly. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. Now for our next one, we're going to attack the thoracic spine. Now, why are we focusing on the mid-back for shoulder pain? Because your shoulders and your thoracic spine are like best friends. If one is not happy, the other one usually is not either. It's sort of like trying to reach overhead with a hunchback. It's going to be difficult to move. So if your thoracic spine can't extend and rotate, you're going to be compensating through your shoulders. That's what causes the pain. So to unlock the thoracic spine, head over to the wall and get into a half kneeling position with the hip connected to the wall. Next, you're going to slide your arm up the wall and add a lift off at the end range position. This could be limiting for people with stiff shoulders, so work through whatever range of motion that you are able to and don't force it. Do this on both sides to see if there are any differences that might be contributing to your shoulder troubles. This is working both the extension and rotation of your thoracic spine while also challenging the shoulder mobility at the end range. You're exposing your spine to all those directions while teaching your shoulder to be stable in these positions. Do 2 sets of 8 repetitions on each side, and after you stand up, your shoulders are going to feel so much more mobile and your pain will already be decreasing. Now last is shoulder stability. Notice I'm not saying shoulder strength because shoulder strength without stability is actually useless. You don't have shoulder pain because your shoulders are weak. Stability and control of your shoulders is crucial. Some muscles that don't get enough love are your rotator cuff and scapular stabilizers, and here's a way to target both with our banded bear sliders. Get on all fours with a band around your wrists. Maintain tension on the band throughout. Get into a bear position with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Then lift your hips up and you're going to slide your hand in all 3 directions. This exercise trains your shoulders to be stable in real world positions. We're not just lying on our side doing external rotations, we're training stability in a functional position that translates to daily life. Do 2 sets of 5 sliders each direction and on each side. Focus on keeping that band tension and not letting your body shift as you tap. If you start incorporating these 3 movements, you're going to get a well-rounded approach for the most common areas that need to be addressed, and this will help reduce your pain fast. But there still is one thing that you're probably going to be missing, and this one thing can hold you back from finding complete relief as quickly as possible because this one thing has helped our clients get on average 39% reduction in their pain in a single session, and others complete pain reduction within as little as 15 days. And this one thing is our Big 5 system, which tells us exactly what is causing your pain and the exact plan you need to fully resolve it. The Big 5 looks at your neck, thoracic spine, shoulder blade, shoulder joint, and nerve tension because all 5 must work together for pain-free shoulders. So if you want to ensure you're doing the right things and just get over with all this so you're not guessing more on YouTube videos, then all you need to do is text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.